Ebusunya me no ka say di abrante bi e da ba to just say 24-hour economy no. Yensesa no. Nye no 24-hour rest in peace. Hey, amanfo akukuduro Ghana how? O say John Dramani Mahama ni 24-hour economy no. Afei na wate ase na asechire na kasa ye 24-hour rest in peace. Na me asam no kra no kan no chese asam no emunya bidu se metimi ayren abechirechirem but enyame na meka impanyefo se kakum yaginu kwakuo enum
abusuafo yesere mo 24-hour economy no mon pepa 24-hour economy no munyimfiri ho na monya no rest in peace ni enti ana muntimi nkire yase na afa ni ehu no dabi na enye adwuma ho asem na na moka owo ho asem na na mo ne yeka dabi amukọ wura ya mo mala masem konfo ka kire yese 24-hour rest in peace ya mo ba ye mo de economy ne to so no mo boa mo nka no kore afia so olumai me dan me hu mi kokofuo ma bam na otwe me yensa common recruitment enipa nsia mabunu nsia awu bibia ni ho amobeka no kuro mu ebete ase enye 24-hour economy eye 24-hour rest in peace ti mon pepa no mfiri ho na mon ka ne san kire yen na yenti ye ho ase because ni yenti ana muntimi nkire mu kuro yi mu no ne wa ase kire ekufu ado yes o di free secondary school beba no bebia na sabi MPP for that time ebo nto akono yebuso ma na o mu kirem timu 24-hour economy no mon pepa mfiri wo na monya rest in peace ne ye na ye ho so se mpaebo fi ayenso ayere ne ye ma no mu nkogu me dane me ho aba na wotwe me yensa ene de yesa mo omo ka news kura mo nkofa report mama news no ka ye fo owo bofo kura de ne wonkum nipa eye 24-hour rest in peace enye economy enye adwuma ho asa na na mo ne ye ka mo boa mo nka de ewo mu nkire yen ne enti ana ye busa mo sa policy na mo de banase ana mo ntimi nkire mu no mo nkire ye mu ne ne na ye ho so na adoso
we are living in this country. The government will tell the people of the country say me ba aban abeboa mo na me ba no me dey dey for the 24-hour economy eba 24-hour economy dey ade o say 24-hour economy no eye say edwuma ba akon ipa me ensa na beye on a 3 shifts within 24 hours into no 24 hours no edwuma ba akon ipa me ensa beye on 3 shifts 8 hours in the morning 8 hours from afternoon to evening and from evening to the next day. And if I say about 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 8 hours wapon. Now we about 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 wapon. Now we about 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 why then wapon the 24 hours nintino wake up 6 to 2 6 to 10 and 10 to another 6. That's it. 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. Not just a one year air coso. Night money then air coso. Now this government came into power, and up to 7 can say 24-hour economy no. You won't be a war. The youths are crying every single day. Every single day, the youth of this country is soon because there is no work. There is no work, and those who are even working, no, the government is finding it very difficult to even pay them. The government is finding it very difficult to even pay them. What kind of country are we living in? What kind of country are we living in? You see, Ebusona say someone enu abema Dani editu Dani se no wa ko ti about say John Dramani Mahama the 24-hour economy no. As a channel 24-hour economy. Then we to as a channel 24-hour rest in peace. You know, it's very, very hard, but what do you also think about what Danny edited Jano? Now let's go into different issues, right? I have other issues that I want us to talk about. There is a video circulating online. Yenua Bema ba kubi edabetu ja say. Eye MP edema Domi Kwablinya MP for Domi Kwablinya osimi mbusa o say so wo hwe na wonim bibia ka o parliament a ka wonu tum menko kasa o parliament esan say wo go Domi Kwablinya for ni mu ase. Now you see, you the NDC people, you have this person as a member of parliament, Domi Kwablinya, but you have the guts to come and insult Drobo for MP, friend of Gloria also. Because most of you can be and she don't understand. But this MP, NDC MP, Domi Kwablinya, what she is saying, what she has said, she has no idea about what she's even saying as a member of parliament. But the good people of Domi Kwablinya has a message for her.
Domi Kwablinya MP, Eli Kulugu. Eli Kulugu. If you know man kasabiem. Tie me see if you know man kasabiem na ngwase na dɔɔso. If you know ko parliament house of a plaster talewa no. Nation nose marks. Na hwe pila kɛseɛ pa na parliament house wo no. Na fo akomya ne kosi akire. Killer one pa ne pila na so no. Fo akomya ne kosi akire. Na tra hodin. Ye ani ape en wasem oba fefe ohun de efe be obro fo nko wa hu ofe no obro fo nko nti asere oni ngwase na do so oba ye wunya hwe anwa hwe boro ba kokura won se bi mu kwan man me kwaye menam so ekwan na kokota in Russia take place ekwan na kokota ye ensu kan kitinkiti de ye huda bi enam shop be ya din ye pe usa efi na no so a ni apamo eti esraw brofu hu na dɔɔso ye dinya midi pa o chaw oba fefei efi na ekwemen kasa biem me ma tra Domi Kwablinya 30 years MP said ye hu bi da ye first MP mimi bi de mi be hu no ma ko senior lawyer adwesa fo ba ye lawyer ma ko junior so ko be lawyer NSC ko transcribe na ye so hwe oba hokɔ obedu ya de brofu hu na ekum yen ama wo trend sa Domi Kwablinya ya tre ha mfie bebrebe ya mane se ye hu bi da eti asraw o kwa fa plaster talewa no enkasa biem sunne tie me enti sa na kasa biem na begu enim asia ye be organize demonstration tiawo because brofu hu na dɔɔso ya bere wo otom oba fefe wa hu ofa no brofu nko men kasa biem
na wo Domi Kwablinya MP ne de minim de ka Domi Kwablinya fo a omkosa line to abama ho se wo bra na be you member of parliament twensem bia otete won ma okika. You don't even know what you are talking about as a member of parliament. You have no idea about what you are talking about. Just say wo hwebo kumpa akampo no you couldn't deliver. Bro, some of you people that more parliament won dey nimade same no cap. Ye nimade same ya bon homa same. Ye ti ye adwuma same. What you guys are doing there, we can do it and even better than what you people are doing. I'm telling you, see, this is fact. There is no lies in this. This is fact. We can do better than what you people are doing. Because honestly speaking, what are you guys doing at the parliament? It's very, very, very sad. Say a constituency like Domi Kwablinya, Nanepa way, and they represent more parliament. But if you leave this person, now be due to trouble MP at them. So I kasa dia for COVID-19 level who say as a time no kasa na Devin that's who year juma. Because the minister said from that effective that day. But you would not even understand. And you were just throwing her left and right center. But look at your member of parliament. Come on, Bofumpo. To talk about some very explain the amount of constituencies not here. And you leave this person and come and talk about other people. Let's be serious in this country for once. Serious in this country for once. And let's all stop being hypocrites and be truthful to ourselves. Because these people are not doing anything.